So now we're going to show you continuing how to pack a TV, taking the television and packing it in the box. First we're going to put several, probably 3 paper pads, maybe 4 depending on how heavy the television is. But you put your arm, I'll show you on the next one. Put that in. You want to cover half the box with 1 paper pad. So you should fluff up the paper pad first. You open it up, then you put your arm in, and then you kind of fluff it up. You get more cushion and more volume to the paper. All right, that's 2. Now, you're probably okay with the 2, but I'm going to put 3 because this is a better practice. 3 paper pads is what you should be using. Now, take the television that we wrapped. You know, 2 pads is better because it's kind of sitting high, but that's because the blanket, we have so much blanket on the bottom of the television. So 2 will work. If it's wrapped in paper pads, the TV, then you might want to use 3. So then you basically just tape the box up. Oh, sorry, one last thing. You want to put a little bit of paper pads in here in front, behind, down the side, maybe 1 on top if the TV sits lower. So you want to surround it with the packing storage paper, all right?